Navigating troubled waters. Understanding, be in dire straits. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that paints a vivid picture of challenging situations, be in dire straits. This expression is not only rich in imagery but also widely used in both everyday and formal English. Understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also deepen your comprehension of the language's nuanced ways of expressing difficulty. To be in dire straits means to be in a situation that is extremely difficult or dangerous. The word dire emphasizes the severity of the situation, indicating that it is very serious and urgent. Straits refers to narrow passages of water, hinting at the idea of being confined or trapped, which metaphorically extends to any challenging scenario where one finds themselves with limited options or resources. The expression, be in dire straits, has nautical roots, dating back to when navigation through narrow waterways was fraught with danger. These straits required precise maneuvering and left little room for error, thus making any journey through them perilous. Over time, the phrase has been adopted into general English to describe any tough situation, not just those at sea. Now that you know what it means, let's see how to incorporate be in dire straits into your conversations or writing. Here are a few examples. After losing his job and depleting his savings, he found himself in dire straits, unsure of how to afford his next meal. The company was in dire straits after the major product recall, struggling to regain the trust of their customers. With only one day left to submit the project and much work still to be done, the team was truly in dire straits. These examples showcase the phrase's versatility, being applicable to personal, professional, and time-sensitive predicaments. Understanding synonyms or similar expressions can enrich your ability to express the concept of being in a difficult situation. Some of these include, between a rock and a hard place, up the creek without a paddle, in hot water. Each of these expressions conveys a sense of difficulty, though with slightly different nuances and imagery. We hope this exploration of be in dire straits has illuminated this compelling phrase for you. English is full of expressions that bring color and depth to our conversations, and understanding them is key to mastering the language. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into the beautiful complexity of the English language.